Hey there. Welcome to the ultimate fireplace ambience. Imagine this. It's a chilly evening, and you're wrapped in a cozy blanket. The gentle crackle of the firewood and the soft glow of the flames create an atmosphere of pure relaxation. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel the warmth of the fire as it melts away any stress or tension you may have. Close your eyes and let the soothing sounds of the crackling fire transport you to a place of tranquility. The beauty of a fireplace isn't just in its warmth, but in the way it brings people together. Whether you're alone or with loved ones, the flickering flames have a magical way of making moments feel special. Notice how the flames dance and flicker, each one telling its own story. The soft pops and gentle hisses are like nature's lullaby, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Allow yourself to get lost in the serenity. Let go of worries and distractions. This moment is all about you, your peace and your relaxation. As you sit by the fire, imagine a sense of calm washing over you. Feel it in your mind, your body and your soul. This is your time, your space to simply be. So light that fire, then get comfortable, and let the ultimate fireplace ambience bring you the relaxation you deserve. Thank you for joining me, and may your evening be filled with warmth and peace. Until next time, take care.